Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Hello, I am back, vlogmas, slay number 8, with another wig review. So, I ordered this wig from Amazon with my own coins. So let's see what came with the wig. A wig cap, eyelashes, and the wig. So I'm going to do something I normally don't do. I'm going to use a wig cap so we can see how this is going to turn out. So this is the wig, this is the wig, this is the wig, y'all. This is in the box. So this is the wig. This is the parting space. There's no combs, but it does have adjustable straps. That's how y'all know I don't use these things. But I'm going to use them today. She is caked out. She is a cutie. You can actually put heat. She is synthetic. That is the part. I am not doing anything. And look at that, y'all. Look at that body. Do y'all see that? And this bang. Oh, honey. And this wig was $20.99. And she can be worn up. She can be dressed down. She can be safe iron up to 400 degrees. And she can be worn every day to work, to school for easy sleigh. And if you like this wig or this video, let me know in the comments below. And until our next video, stay blessed, not stressed. Later, love.